Hey there, foodies. Today, we're diving into the world of budget-friendly, healthy eating with a special focus on Miguel Barclay's 1-pound Planet Plate recipes from Lidl. Now, I've always been a big fan of cooking, but let's be real, who has time to plan elaborate meals when life gets busy? So, when I heard about these recipes, I was intrigued. Let's see if they can live up to the hype and make healthy eating more accessible without breaking the bank. First things first, the concept of the 1-pound Planet Plate recipes is pretty cool. It's all about making small, sustainable changes to our daily meals. You know, adding more veggies, beans, and pulses, and cutting down on the meat. But the question is, can these recipes actually taste good and be satisfying? Well, let's find out. One of the things that immediately stands out is the variety of dishes. From chicken cra pao with cauliflower rice to a creamy leek, courgette, and bean cassoulet, and even a beef and lentil hot pot, there's something for everyone. And the best part? They're all under 1 pound per serving. Now, that's what I call a bargain. Now, let's talk about the chicken cra pao and cauliflower rice. It's a simple dish, but the key is in the details. By blitzing the cauliflower in a food processor, you get a rice-like texture that's perfect for replacing carbs. And the addition of green beans and basil gives it a fresh, vibrant flavor. Personally, I think it's a brilliant way to incorporate more veggies into your diet without feeling like you're sacrificing taste. Next up, the creamy leek, courgette, and bean cassoulet. This dish is all about comfort food with a healthy twist. By pan-frying the courgettes and leeks, you get a nice, golden crust, and the addition of cannellini beans and Greek yogurt gives it a creamy texture. What makes this really interesting is how it showcases how you can elevate simple ingredients to create something truly special. In my opinion, it's a great example of how you can make a hearty, satisfying meal without relying on heavy, processed ingredients. Now, let's talk about the chickpea masala. This dish is all about flavor and texture. By pan-frying the onions, chickpeas, and aubergine, you get a nice, crispy exterior, and the addition of curry paste and Greek yogurt gives it a rich, creamy flavor. What many people don't realize is that chickpeas are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. So, not only is this dish delicious, but it's also nutritious. Moving on to the mushroom and spinach stroganoff, this dish is all about comfort and satisfaction. By boiling the potatoes and pan-frying the mushrooms and spinach, you get a hearty, satisfying meal that's perfect for a cozy night in. The addition of Greek yogurt and peas gives it a creamy, comforting texture. Personally, I think it's a brilliant way to incorporate more veggies into your diet without feeling like you're missing out on anything. Next up, the charred sweet corn and sliced pork ramen. This dish is all about texture and flavor. By pan-frying the pork and sweet corn, you get a nice, charred exterior, and the addition of noodles and soy sauce gives it a rich, savory flavor. What makes this really interesting is how it showcases how you can elevate simple ingredients to create something truly special. In my opinion, it's a great example of how you can make a hearty, satisfying meal without relying on heavy, processed ingredients. Finally, let's talk about the beef and lentil hot pot. This dish is all about warmth and comfort. By pan-frying the onions, garlic, and beef, and adding the lentils, carrots, and tomatoes, you get a rich, hearty sauce that's perfect for a cozy night in. The addition of cumin and potatoes gives it a nice, golden crust. Personally, I think it's a brilliant way to incorporate more veggies and plant-based protein into your diet without feeling like you're sacrificing taste. Now, I know what you're thinking. These recipes might sound simple, but can they really make a difference in our daily lives? Well, let's take a step back and think about it. Eating well on a budget is all about making smart choices and finding creative solutions. And these recipes are a perfect example of how you can do just that. By incorporating more veggies, beans, and pulses into your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being without breaking the bank. In conclusion, Miguel Barclay's 1-pound Planet Plate recipes are a fantastic example of how you can make healthy eating more accessible and affordable. By incorporating simple, sustainable changes into your daily meals, you can improve your overall health and well-being without feeling like you're sacrificing taste or convenience. So, if you're looking for a way to eat better without spending a fortune, I highly recommend giving these recipes a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.